Hello, good afternoon. Someone sent me a message, said they wanted a tour of the pirate ship. So that is what we're going to do right now. I am not the best filmer, walker, or talker, so just got to do what we got to do. This is the dock. Ship is up to the dock. Cannons. There are 4 of them. Give you a back view of it. And we will go in. Okay, this is the first floor. You've got the cannons. Stairwell does have lights. Let's see. Okay, let me get down this stairwell. Does have a little porthole. Stairs. Going up to the second level. Do a swing around here. Got the ropes, and we've had major storms here lately. Lots of rain. And front of the ship, this is the small steering wheel for our little people. We've got grandkids, all sizes. So we always want the little ones to feel like they can drive the ship. Okay. You have 2 stairwells that go up to the 3rd level. Get another view of the front of the ship. Crow's nest. And this is the captain's quarters. We'll go in there. We got a little pirate motif going. Lots of windows. That is actually the kids' toy chest. They put their guns, knives, all of their pirate equipment in there. You'll see guns everywhere. Play guns only. Okay, we're gonna go up this stairwell. This is the back of the ship where we came in. That flag, that was fun. The main ship's wheel. Crow's nest. Sad pirate. New one's coming. Oh. Captain Hook lost his hook. And this is the view from the 3rd level. Yes, all my neighbors can see whenever we're up in the pirate ship. Okay, we're gonna go back down on the other stairwell. And that is your full view tour of the pirate ship Playhouse. If you got any comments, questions, Just leave them, and I will get back with you. Thanks for joining me today.